Hello and welcome to Nationwihde Transport and Training Group. We're delighted you've taken the time to find out a little more about who we are and what we do. Nationwihde Transport and Training Group was established with one simple goal: to provide professional, practical and relatable support to businesses operating within the transport industry. Today we're proud to support operators throughout England, Scotland, Wales, Northern and Southern Ireland, working with everyone from owner-drivers and small family businesses to large national organisations managing extensive vehicle fleets. Although every client is different, they all have one thing in common. They want straightforward advice from people who genuinely understand the transport industry. And that's exactly what we're here to provide. Unlike many consultancies, transport is all we do. It's our specialism, our passion, and our focus every single day. Our experienced team works across every aspect of transport compliance, operator licensing, and professional driver training, giving our clients access to a wide range of expertise all under one roof. Whether you're applying for your very first operator license, expanding an existing fleet, introducing new operating centres, or simply looking to strengthen your compliance systems, we're here to guide you through every stage of the journey. Our operator licensing team assists with new applications, license variations, operating centre changes, transport manager nominations, financial standing requirements, representations to the Traffic Commissioner, and ongoing licence support. But obtaining an operator licence is only the beginning. Once a licence has been granted, operators have a legal responsibility to manage their business safely and compliantly. And that's where our compliance services really make a difference. We work alongside operators to develop robust compliance systems covering vehicle maintenance, driver defect reporting, tachograph management, working time, transport manager responsibilities, maintenance documentation, record keeping, and internal auditing. For many businesses, we provide ongoing compliance management, becoming an extension of their own transport office and giving them confidence that their operator licence obligations are being met every day. Alongside consultancy, training has always been a major part of our business. We deliver a wide range of accredited and professional transport training, including driver CPC, operator licence awareness training, transport manager refresher courses, compliance workshops, management training and bespoke courses tailored specifically to the needs of individual organisations. Our trainers combine industry knowledge with practical experience, ensuring every course is informative, engaging and directly relevant to the people attending. As technology continues to play an increasingly important role within transport, we also help businesses implement digital compliance solutions. From tachograph analysis and remote download systems to vehicle check applications, compliance monitoring, maintenance reporting, we help operators make better use of technology to improve efficiency while maintaining the highest standards of compliance. One of the things we're most proud of is our team. Every member of Nationwihde Transport and Training Group shares the same commitment to professionalism, customer service, and continuous improvement. We invest heavily in qualifications, training and ongoing professional development because we believe our clients deserve advice that is accurate, current and based upon industry best practice. We're also proud of the relationships we've built with our clients. Many businesses have worked with us for years because they know we're approachable, responsive and always willing to help. We believe in building long-term partnerships rather than simply delivering a one-off service. When our clients succeed, we succeed. Our reputation has been built through honesty, integrity, and providing advice that is both practical and commercially realistic. If something needs improving, we'll tell you. If there's a simpler way of achieving compliance, we'll explain it. And whenever legislation changes, we'll help you understand exactly what it means for your business. Ultimately, our aim is simple. We want to make transport compliance easier. We want operators to feel confident that they're meeting their legal responsibilities, protecting their operator licence and running safe, efficient and successful businesses. Whether you need help with operator licensing, compliance management, transport consultancy, professional driver training or ongoing support, we'd be delighted to work with you. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Nationwihde Transport and Training Group. We hope this has given you a better understanding of who we are, what we do, and the values that drive everything we deliver. Whenever you're ready, our team is here to help, and we look forward to supporting you and your business in the future.